Want to create better and best App Store screenshot? In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create App Store screenshots fast with AI. And to do it, we use AI, and we use one of the powerful AI agents here, which I'm also collaborating with. Now here, before creating best and better screenshots, first you will know this: identify your point, come up with a better description, and then generate the best screenshot. Here's what you will do. And what you will do now is to type this prompt, identify the point of your app, like the places you want you to highlight here. Here is how to do it. Here I'll first type this and then explain. Now you can see what I type: create an App Store screenshots by identifying the best point in this app link, and paste the link here. This is if you have uploaded the app into the App Store. Paste the link. Now you can see the link. Now paste the app link here. You can see. Now here, if you have not yet uploaded the app to the App Store, and what you do here, describe your app here. Describe how the app is. Paste the logo, and then ask you to create the app screenshot. Now if you have uploaded the app to the App Store and it remains the App Store screenshot, now what you do here is to send it here like this. After typing this prompt like this, send it. And then wait for the Manus to do its work. You can see the set of screenshots is generated here. Now you can see how it look here. You can see how it look. And download it by clicking on it like this, and then click on this downloading icon here in order to download it. You can see it, and then click on download again, and then upload it to your App Store. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the description section. I will do so to reply you. Now start the playlist on the screen now to know how to use Manus AI. See you there.